guys, welcome back again to my channel. And for today's video, we are going to cut the pole of the Xiaomi Pro 2. So I will show you how to cut this one to make it lower. So this is my friend Xiaomi Pro 2, and as you can see, we installed a seat here, yeah, and then we are going to cut the pole to make it shorter. So I will going to grind it here to make it shorter for it to be more comfortable when riding. So I remove the 4 bolts here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I disconnected the brake line. I remove the rubber here, then I pull it down here. So, the data cable and the brake cable is here. Then I will remove it. Then I measured it here. It will be like this.
Start to sing and suddenly it feels like happiness is so far. Tell me, can you hear the symphony?
Then done. It's cut now. So our next step is we will going to drill a hole like this one, and this one. This two, and then do it these two in front. So we will just copy the dimensions here. Test fit. There you go. Then we will just drill holes here for the screws. Alright. So what I've done here is that I get a masking tape. Then I just trace the holes. Then I also get the middle line so that I can align it here in the pole. So I will just stick it. Okay. Then I transferred so that it will be the exact hole that I will drill. Then I will just mark it.
My soul when I was falling, you moved the cross to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning, for this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, a minute in this hourglass, you hold.
So this is the finished product.